Hello everybody! Here is the chasers I used on that outdoor Christmas tree last year. At some point during the season the green lights died. Let's see if I can get them fixed. Let's see what the Lightkeeper Pro will do. Not much at that regard, so I may have to unravel them and string them up in the workshop. Turn the lights off and see if I can see one sparking somewhere. Hopefully I didn't have a failure in the controls board. But I'll string them up in the workshop and we'll get after it. I believe I found the issue. Look at that base. How crusty that is. Looks like that lamp shorted out. See, the filament's completely gone. Just a bunch of mess going on. So it calls for 3.5 to 4 volt lamps. So I'm going to see which one of these works the best. Put that one in. Okay, first one I tested. This one right here, one of these GEs. It's one of these string alongs. 30 to 100 sets. 2.5 to 3.5. So it seems to want to be happy with that. So that's what we're going to go with. Yeah, I can definitely tell that got warm and shorted out. But I'll get it going. And then I'll go through and replace any burned out lamps throughout the strand. So let's tilt down and see if the green lights come on. And there you have it. Now I can go through and see what lamps are burned out. Let's check right. So now that the strand is illuminated with all 4 colors, I can go through and see which lamps are burned out and replace those as necessary. I'll do that off camera. Then I can put all my reflectors back on. Yeah, we got a red one out there. Not too bad though. Considering these are from 1994, they're still holding up pretty well. So I'll get all the burned out lamps replaced and we'll go from there. Here's a sneak peek of them in service. Unfortunately, the speed control dial broke off, so they're stuck at this slow rate, but they'll speed up a little bit as they get going. So once again, repairing the chaser lights from 1994. Thank you for watching.